We had a nice end to the weekend with sunny skies and comfortable temperatures. What kind of weather can you expect as you head back to school and work? Stay tuned and find out next. Quincy Vagell here for the Weather People. Today is Sunday, April 5th, 2009. But before I go any further, let me stop and apologize for my apparel. I understand that some fashion experts would not agree with a black suit and a black shirt on camera, but it's been a very long day for me and I haven't been able to go back and change. So bear with me if you can. But you're here to watch my broadcast, right, and talk about the weather, not to see what I'm wearing? At least I hope that's why you've tuned in. And since you're here, let me talk about the weather. We had plenty of sunshine today. It was comfortable with highs that got up to 59 degrees. So at least we had a nice end to the weekend. But unfortunately, that nice weather will not stick around. I'm expecting a rainy day on Monday, so you'll need that umbrella as you head back to work and school, and then cooler temperatures move in behind that storm, but at least I have a dry midweek expected in my forecast. So we had sunshine today, and we still have mostly clear skies out right now. Looking at the satellite loop, you can't find much in the way of cloud cover across the entire area. To find any clouds nearest to us, you have to look at the big picture, and we can see across Maine there is some weather. That low pressure system that brought us weather on Friday and Saturday, it's drifting off towards the east of Maine. But right now, we're in the calm between the storms. The next storm system is across, it looks like Indiana, and all this rain and cloud cover will move west to east and move into our area tomorrow. But for tonight, those clouds will be on the increase ahead of that storm. It will be somewhat mild with a low of 40 degrees. We typically fall back into the mid-30s this time of the year, so it won't be nearly as chilly as it could be. And for lows across the rest of the region, 40 would be the cool spot at Danbury and at Willimantic, 43 degrees in New London, and 45 for a low tonight in Bridgeport. Now here's what's going to happen tomorrow. You'll need that umbrella because rain develops in the morning hours. Let's say around 9 o'clock. Temperatures will start off in the 40s. Now they will get into the 50s, but as we head into the afternoon hours, that rain will become heavy at times, and there could even be a thunderstorm. So a messy and potentially stormy day, winds southeast to 6 to 12 miles per hour. It will be a day to stay inside if you can. I'll be inside with class all day. The high temperature will be, I think, 54 degrees at the Danbury area. And what about the rest of the region? High temperatures of 56 at Hartford, also 56 at Willimantic, and approaching 60 with a high of 59 degrees in Central Park. Now for my extended forecast, on Tuesday, we could have a leftover shower. It will be breezy behind that storm with highs in the mid to upper 40s, so also a little bit cooler. And then for Wednesday, a little bit cooler still, with some sunshine, but it'll be chilly with highs in the mid-40s after a morning low of 29 degrees. So the calendar is going to read April, but it's going to feel more like March across the area. But then looking ahead to Thursday, a few clouds, milder temperatures, highs get into the lower 50s. So we will have nicer weather to look forward to later on in the week. For the weather people, this is student meteorologist Quincy Vagell. If you're heading out tomorrow, bring that umbrella. We're going to have rain throughout the day on Monday.